guys, today I'll be showing you how to get infinite resistance. First, you need the resistance to 10,000, and you also need your then you also need to upgrade yourself, because if you get too much resistance you might die. So upgrade yourself to 4K. When that's done, charge until 2000 or 3000. Neither what it will work. Or if you want 9, and next, go in here, then press the middle. It'll make you go back to the spawn so you don't die. And so once you have that, then I recommend you charge. Wait, let me just get to there. I recommend you to charge here at the blue. So when you charge until 1,000,000,000, you could next, so you go to the building, go back, then buy Ultimatus charger for 1,000,000,000 energy. Also, you can also buy an ultra battery for 1 trillion, and that's the video.